In section 1, I'm going to talk briefly about employees and independent contractors. I'm going to focus mainly on what the CRA considers when trying to determine whether someone should be treated as an employee or a contractor. In section 2, I'm going to introduce you to the 3 most common business structures. We'll also spend some time talking about whether or not you should incorporate your business. At this point, you may be wondering, what the heck does that even mean, to incorporate a business? But don't worry, we'll talk about that as well. In section 3, I'm going to introduce you to financial statements and accounting methods. Now, we could spend countless hours talking about this, and heaven knows I would love to do that. But the last thing I want is to bore you to death. When I talk about financial statements and accounting methods, I'm going to focus on those things that are most relevant to you, and that hopefully you'll find interesting. In section 4, I'm going to cover a ton of stuff. The main focus will be on eligible business expenses, or write-offs. I'm sure this is what you care about more than anything else in this course. You want to know what expenses you're allowed to write off as a registered massage therapist, so that you can lower your income tax bill. In this section, I'll also talk about how to avoid being audited by the CRA. We'll also talk about how income tax brackets work and why you shouldn't be worried about moving into a higher tax bracket. And then finally, in section 5, I'm going to show you how to file your income tax return using TurboTax Online.